Hi there. Welcome to the deadlift and weightlifting exercises for women. As a professional gym coaching instructor, I understand the importance of proper technique and injury prevention when it comes to performing warm-up, deadlift, and powerlifting exercises. It's crucial to ensure that you are properly warmed up before engaging in any heavy lifting to prevent injuries and maximize performance. Here is a detailed step-by-step guide for women on how to perform warm-up, deadlift, and powerlifting exercises safely and effectively. First of all, before starting any workout, it is essential to warm up your muscles to increase blood flow, flexibility, and reduce the risk of injury. A proper warm-up should include dynamic and static movements to prepare your body for the upcoming workout. Here are some warm-up exercises to include: jumping jacks, 2 to 3 sets of 20 repetitions. Arm circles, 2 sets of 10 repetitions in each direction. Leg swings, 2 sets of 10 repetitions on each leg. Hip rotations, 2 sets of 10 repetitions in each direction. Now, after we've done our warm-up exercises, let's get into the deadlift. The deadlift is a compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including the hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and core. Proper form is crucial to prevent injuries and get the most out of this exercise. Here's how to perform the deadlift with correct form. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward, and a barbell placed in front of you. Bend at the hips and knees to grip the barbell with an overhand grip, hands shoulder-width apart. Keep your back flat, chest up, and shoulders back. Engage your core and drive through your heels to lift the barbell, keeping it close to your body. Stand up straight, fully extending your hips and knees. Lower the barbell back down to the ground with control, keeping your back flat and chest up. Beginners should start with light weights and focus on perfecting their form before increasing the load. Aim for 3 sets of 8-10 repetitions with proper rest in between sets. Next, we have powerlifting exercises. Powerlifting consists of 3 main exercises: squat, bench press, and deadlift. These exercises require proper technique and form to maximize strength gains and prevent injuries. Here's a guide on how to perform each exercise correctly. Squat. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Lower your body by bending your hips and knees while keeping your chest up and back straight. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 8-10 repetitions. Bench press. Lie on a flat bench with your feet flat on the ground and grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower the barbell to your chest while keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Press the barbell back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 8-10 repetitions. Now, we've done the more intense workouts, let's cool down and stretch. After completing any heavy workout, it's essential to cool down and stretch to help your muscles recover and prevent stiffness. Stretching can also improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Here are some stretching exercises to include in your cool down routine. Standing quad stretch. Stand on one foot while bringing one foot towards your glutes and holding it with your hand for 30 seconds on each side. Seated hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor or ground with one leg extended and the other bent. Reach towards your toes on the extended leg, holding for 30 seconds on each side. Child's pose. Kneel on the ground with your toes touching and sit back onto your heels, reaching your arms forward and resting your forehead on the ground. Incorporate these stretches into your cool-down routine to help your muscles recover and prevent stiffness. Remember, proper technique and form are crucial when performing any exercise, especially when it comes to heavy lifting. Focus on quality over quantity and listen to your body's cues to prevent injuries. If you're unsure about any exercise or technique, don't hesitate to seek guidance from a professional gym coaching instructor. Stay safe and always prioritize your health and well-being during your workouts. Please feel free to leave any comment or question down in the comments section below this video, and we'll be happy to discuss. Also, please like, subscribe to our channel and share this video. You can check out our other videos on this channel for inspiration. Thank you for watching.